Turmeric, you've likely heard about it in each well-being article out there nowadays. The orange-hued root has been utilized in conventional Indian cooking for quite a long time and is presently being perceived for its incredible mending characteristics, remembering its capacity to battle aggravation and help for warding off specific infections. Also, presently, we have an absolutely new use for the flavor that may appear to be in any case impossible: brightening your teeth. Oral well-being is convoluted, and keeping in mind that we as a whole realize that brilliant, shimmering, magnificent white teeth are basic for a faultless face, business teeth whiteners present different risks to your oral well-being and can improve the probability of you creating issues like gum illness, gum disease, polish and tooth rot, and in any event, subsiding gums. Yuck. Fortunately for us, turmeric is an all-regular option in contrast to annoying synthetic substances that can rather profit your oral well-being in a greater number of ways than one. It's hard to believe, but it's true. Not just will turmeric make your teeth more white, however, it can really assist you with warding off gum illness and diminish any aggravation of the gums and mouth. A few investigations recommend this could be a result of the fundamental dynamic fixing in turmeric, curcumin, which has mitigating properties that secure against gum infection and gum disease, all while decreasing the development of plaque and microbes on the teeth and along the gum line. Different examinations recommend that it might even be an extraordinary all-common answer for the mouth torment related with conditions like periodontitis and oral malignant growths. Sounds like a marvel, isn't that so? So while it might appear to be counterproductive to rub a brilliant orange powder onto your teeth to make them more white, we're encouraging you to evaluate turmeric for teeth brightening, on the grounds that, trust us, it works. Not exclusively will you flaunt sparkly silvery whites, yet your teeth and mouth well-being will be supported, generally speaking. Here's the manner by which to utilize turmeric for teeth brightening. Turmeric for teeth whitening, recipe and process. To utilize turmeric to brighten your teeth securely, you'll have to make a point not to overdo it. The procedure laid out beneath can be utilized throughout a couple of days, and you shouldn't rehash it more than once every day, as this could make harm your veneer. There are a couple of approaches to remember turmeric for your oral consideration schedule. The first is to make your own brightening treatment utilizing turmeric powder. Remember, turmeric is a flavor that is very intense in taste, so in case you're not a devotee of having that preference for your mouth, you can have a go at adding some mint oil to your turmeric powder. Another note: turmeric stains. Be cautious with your garments, and remember that you should utilize a new toothbrush to apply it, as it will turn bristles yellow. To make your own turmeric teeth brightening blend, essentially hand out a limited quantity, about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and include your mint oil, whenever wanted. That is all you need. Brush your teeth as common with normal toothpaste, at that point utilizing a wet toothbrush, delicately dunk it into the powder blend. Apply the wet turmeric powder to your teeth and gums. Permit the turmeric powder to sit on your teeth for 5 to 10 minutes, at that point wash completely with warm water. Next, brush your teeth again with toothpaste, and you're finished.